It's so good to see the two of you. Okay. Hello. Hello, friends. Hello, Gigi Biz. You guys just heard about the free reset sale. Were you like, what is corporate doing? Really? They're giving away $89 3-day resets, you guys. The way this works is people need to buy the Triplex and Trim system. That includes the Triplex, Balance, and Restore. When they buy that system, they put it into their cart, and then they add one of our 3-day resets to their cart. And then when they check out, they need to use the promo code. Okay. And they get a free reset. So I am on this call to tell you that they told us about this actually at the end of June. And I was so excited. And, they say, don't tell your teams. You know why? Because we're always concerned that our teams, especially newer business builders, might hold off on sharing the products for this particular sale. And as you know, we had this wonderful sale that went the 1st through the 7th of this month that grabbed a whole bunch of people with the 3 drinks, the 3-drink sale. That was fabulous. You guys, this is something so ultra special though. And I wanted to pass on what corporate told us diamonds. They were like, we have a strategy behind this. We are doing this for your good, for your team's good, for your business builders' good, for your family's good, and for your VIPs' long-term good. And I love that they came to us with this information like this and definitely encouraged us to come and pass this information on to our teams. So I'm going to start out with saying this. You current brand ambassadors, do you need to earn extra money for your family this month? Because when you enroll on the Triplex and Trim system, you will earn $144. You guys, welcome to sales. Isn't that incredible? If you're like, I need $144 for my family this month, for whatever, for a special gift, I don't know, to pay for a night at a local Airbnb for my husband, whatever it is, you guys, did you know that you can go out and sell 4 of these and that we're all capable of doing that? Because this is a system that nearly everyone will have results on. Okay. Enroll and you guys earn $144. That is current brand ambassadors. You have shared before. You've already gone silver, fast start. Okay. When you and I help a level 1 share with 3 people this month, you will earn a Ninja Creamy on top of your $144. And they will earn $466. What in the world? Yes, if you and I help a level 1 share with 3 people, and those 3 people sign up with the Triplex and Trim system and get a free reset, they will earn $466. This is the fast start amount. Ask your sponsor if you need help understanding more about this fast start thing, okay? Or you can comment down below and I'll message you. By the way, if your level 1 enrolls 4 with this Triplex and Trim system, they will get $466 plus a Ninja Creamy. You guys, can you tell how excited I am about this Ninja Creamy? I'm so excited. Okay, it's really out of control. I want to encourage you right away to use our daily PLEXUS Zooms for something very specific right now. I want you to think outside of your own level 1 potentials for these calls. Our daily PLEXUS Zooms at 7:30 p.m. CST, Monday through Thursdays. I want you to potentially think about using these for your VIPs, your current VIP customers. Invite them to come watch one and then help them invite people to the next ones. They deserve to know about the huge cash that's available to them this month and how truly simple it is to get people on the calls and start layering those people to order this amazing combo, this amazing system that comes with a free reset this month, okay? The two things I wanted to share from corporate right out the gate is this. They came to Diamonds and they said, we are doing this for two reasons: results and retention. And number two, the pay point. So I'm going to share on those two things really quickly, okay? So results and retention. These particular products from the Triplex and Trim System, Triplex, Balance, and Restore, and they're getting a free reset. These are the products that always bring about the quickest results out of all of our other products. So number one, that is why corporate chose this system. They also went to numerous hardcore recruiting and duplicating diamonds, and they looked into their lines and saw this to be true, okay? So when our customers get results early on or feel different early on their products, guess what happens? We're able to much more easily ask them to share, right? When our customers get quick results, their belief goes up sooner early on in their journey, and then they stay on their products longer. Their belief is strong. This means retention. So do you see how corporate is looking out for us? They're like, we want our customers to get results, feel results. You guys, even with just Slim and Balance, they're going to get some results month one. Even with just adding in Restore, they're going to get results month one. But can you imagine Reset as well? Goodness gracious. So we are looking for results, and that will help with our retention. Our downline, my downline is packed with way more happy VIPs than it is with business builders. And I believe yours is the same way, right? And guess what? Our happy customers make the best long-term business builders. I mean, look at all of us in GG, right? It's like we had results, and we've made some incredible business builders because of our results. So that is why corporate is doing this. And this is why we need to bite into this. Number two, the pay point. We get paid on a pay point every single month. Earlier this year, it was $2.86 per pay point. When I sign up a level one, I get paid on 6 points. So I take the $2.86 times 6, and I'm paid that amount. And I'm also paid a bonus on those level ones that first month, a 20% bonus on whatever they order. It's so generous, you guys. There is not another company out there that does this. That has been confirmed by our executives, okay? Here's the deal. The higher that pay point amount is, meaning the more product that we do, we sell, you guys, we sell to our friends, our family, our downline. The bigger the systems we get people on for their first order, that drives the pay point up. I will tell you that my paycheck has gone up over the last 2 months with a higher pay point. And that's not from like bringing on more people or sharing with more people. That's just because the pay point went up. That means the company is thriving. So when we sell bigger combos, like the Triplex and Trim combo that we're working on selling this month, upon sign up, our pay point goes up big time. This means much bigger paychecks for our entire downline. That's what I want for you guys. Bigger paychecks for our downline. And guess what? Bigger paychecks for our upline as well. You guys, we are PLEXUS. This is so amazing to me. We are not competing against sidelines. We're not competing against uplines. We're not competing against downlines. Like we're literally all rising together. So getting into the habit of selling larger systems upon sign up will not only raise everyone's paychecks dramatically, but this is huge. Hear me, because we never want to be people who are just like, my paycheck, my paycheck, my paycheck. But please do not be shy about talking about your paycheck. You deserve a wonderful paycheck because you have wonderful products that are bringing solutions to so many people. Also, we work hard. Do we not? We work so stinking hard in this business. You deserve the paycheck. But you guys, not only will it raise our paychecks, it's going to bring our customers more results sooner, trying more products and the products that bring the most oomph. Okay. Which will then what? Bring us greater retention and then more wonderful business builders. So I have a couple of notes here. I want to make sure to mention that I'm literally passing this on from corporate. And I love that they're going to be doing this every month. They're like, here's the information. Now you go pass it on to your teams. And as leaders, that's what you guys get to do, right? Nikayla has a downline that I'm not necessarily connected to relationally. She gets to now take this information and be like, did you hear about this? This makes so much sense. Do you want to do this with me? Right? Okay. So the people that start on this particular combo will need just as much or more customer care from us because there's going to be a lot of products. So it's up to us to write these people down in our calendars on sticky notes and take really good care of them. Personally, I am pointing people to wait on their reset until the end of the month or into August. I want them to experience results on Triplex, Balance, and Restore. I will probably month 1 out of that system point people to Slim in the morning, Restore at night, and make sure to take Balance during the day and be like, put aside Probio 5 and BioCleanse just for a couple weeks. Let's just start you on some basic habits here, right? So that they're not overwhelmed with 10 million things to do. But it's up to you for your downline, your customers, what you think is best for them. If somebody is not pooping, make sure they start on BioCleanse no matter what, right? Stuff like that. Like just write that at the top of your notebook. If somebody's not pooping, BioCleanse 100%. Okay, next, we want to encourage people to start on half a scoop of Restore during their first week to see how they're going to respond. I have 3 messages in my inbox right now from people with no gallbladders, and they're in massive pain. And they're like, oops, I just took 2 scoops because I'm so excited about the weight loss. And I'm like, oh, bless you. So they're going down the half a scoop. We just don't know how people are going to respond. So start with half a scoop and then like, right? Oh, Danielle, it's so good to see you on here with your baby too. That is one beautiful baby. Oh my goodness. Okay, next. People come for the products and they stay for the community, right? We've been told that over the years so many times. And you guys, the way we draw people into our community and culture is by doing these simple things that like with every single person in our downline. Obviously, some people are going to be like, no, thank you. I don't want you being a 3-way. We have people like that, you guys, or who will ghost you. Don't worry about it. I have them too. But in order to retain our people, the number 1 way is culture and community. The second way is getting them a paycheck of some sort. So let's focus on this month. Here are 3 ways to help people be drawn into our culture and community. Number 1, connect them with an upline, preferably on the phone or Zoom for 10 to 15 minutes. Oh yeah. Like when you're signing people up, be like, by the way, after you sign up, we have to figure out 10 minutes of your time for you to meet my friend, Michelle Clifton. You have to hear her story and she's going to help make sure that you're getting started right on these products. You guys, on that call, Michelle's going to be able to be like, I have to share with you my business testimony too, because it really came out of nowhere. I never thought I would do this. Okay. You need third-party validation. We've got to take time to do this. Obviously, if you're like, nope, can't do phone, can't do Zoom, I just refuse. I hope you wouldn't refuse, but we have 3-way messages too, right? That work very well. The next thing, get them on the PLEXUS calls Monday through Thursday, or just one of them. It's not like they have to be on every one, but get them on a PLEXUS call in the evening to grow their belief and then be like, hey, what'd you think about that little 15-minute call? Can I help you invite like a few handfuls of people? Like I will help you message them, like specific wording, because if you end up with like 1 person or 3 people, you're going to make this much money this month. And I would love to help you do that. Like these products are for everyone, right? And the last thing to help with bringing people into our culture and community to retain them and see if they could be future business builders, you guys, and to keep them on the products so they get wonderful results is tell them very straightforwardly that your Plexus business is referral based. People respect that, you guys, and ask them if you can help them write a quick post. And then be like, what do you think of this post? Write it up. Write it up. Would you be open to writing a quick post? And then write up their post so that they see it and they're like, oh, that's really simple. I could totally copy and paste that. Tell them you'd love to send them like a free $7, Amazon frother when your customers tag you in their posts. It's very rare to get a no to this, you guys. And you can afford a $7 or $8 frother, especially with the bonuses this month. So that's all I have to share. Does anybody have any questions? I'm going to check the comments. But I don't know if you guys saw the fast start bonuses for this month. Jennifer Cobb put those together, and then we had somebody from corporate double check those numbers. A new VIP who hasn't shared before, or who upgraded in June or July when they share with 3 people, and those 3 people order that triplex and trim and get a free reset. That new VIP gets $466. Anywho, I feel like our people need to know, we need to latch onto this and figure out how to share this with our people. Any questions? Yeah, so new VIPs add 4 and get a creamy. New VIPs, from what I have seen, and please correct me if I'm wrong, add 4 and get the creamy. But this is a huge question that I need to go find out like ASAP. So I will get back to you. That seems out of control. That seems a bit, but that is what's on all the fast start graphics that we have gotten confirmed are accurate. It's so crazy. Okay, that's the only question. Okay, you guys. So I don't know about you, but the YPlexus calls really still feel so weird to me and kind of like outlandish. And I've already gotten so many no's and then like so many ghostings that I'm like, how is this going to work? But I don't know. I'm realizing I need to switch some gears for myself, and I need to think about my VIPs using this to share with their friends and family. Okay. Anything else? Add 4 and retain 3 or develop a silver. Right. Well, I'll go check on that for this month. And then if you find it before me, please announce it. Thank you, friends. Who's going to try to invite to tonight's call? I'm going to share on that system, and I'm already practicing because I'm like, that is a lot of product. Obviously, I'm not going to go into the science of all the product. This is going to be way more stories based. I talked to Angie Ambrosetti, who is the one having great results on these YPlexus calls. She calls them something different Monday through Thursday, but they are stories, testimony, focus. And at the end, they're like, here's the big sale combo right now. Go talk to your friend about what would be best for you. And then the whole team now is working on selling the triplex and trim. Okay. So for a new VIP going fast start, they need to add 4, which can make them, oh my gosh, more than $466. I'm not looking at the numbers right now. And then if they want the creamy, they need to make a silver. Thank you so much, Jessica. Oh, go Zoom. I didn't know you could sell graphics, send graphics in the chat. Okay, perfect. Thank you, friends. We're better together. Anything else? Have a great day. Let's get VIPs to one of our calls this week, or a couple, who knows? Thanks for listening. Bye.